In question number 5 of exercise 2.5. Now first part solution. 4x square can be written as 2x power 2, 9y square 3y whole square, and this is the 4z whole square. And we know that a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equals to a plus b plus c square. Then this term can be written as 2 into 2x into 3y. If we multiply 3 2 ja 6 and 6 2 ja 12, minus 2 times what? 3y into 4z. After this, minus 2 times 2x into 4z. Then if we multiply, then we get here 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. After this, here negative sign and here negative sign, and this is the term in terms of y and z, and this is the in terms of x and z. Then maybe this term will be the negative or this term will be the negative, and here also this term will be negative or this term will be the negative. But if suppose that here this term will be the negative, that means here also this is the negative, but here positive sign. Therefore, this can be written as 2x square 3y square plus minus 4z whole square plus 2x and 3y and plus 2 times of 3y minus 4z and plus 2 times of 2x and minus 4z. After this, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca and is equals to what? A plus b plus c whole square. That means we will get the 2x 3y minus 4z whole square, and this can be written as the 2x plus 3y minus 4z into 2x plus 3y minus 4z, and here identity, since a square b square c square 2ab 2bc 2ca is equals to a plus b plus c whole square. Next, second part, 2x square, then this can be written as root 2x power 2, because if we find the square of square root 2, then we will get the 2. And then y square plus 2 root 2z whole square. If we multiply here, then 2 2 ja 4 and root 2 square, that means 2, then 8, minus this can be written as 2 times of root 2xy plus 2 times of y and z, that means 2 root 2z into y, and minus what? 2 times of root 2x into 2 root 2z. After this, here in similar way of the first question, here firstly choose which term will be the negative, because here negative sign, and here in terms of this term in term of x and y, and here negative, then x in terms of the x and z, then maybe x term negative or y, and otherwise here x and z. But if suppose that z will be the negative, then this term also will be the negative, but here positive sign, that means root first term root 2x whole square minus times. After this, y square 2 root 2z whole square plus 2 times minus root 2xy plus 2 times 2 root 2z into y, and plus 2 times minus root 2x and 2 root 2z, and then using the identity, then we will get the minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2 z whole square, since a square b square c square 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equals to a plus b plus c whole square, and this can be written as minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z into minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z. This is your answer. Question number 6. Write in expanded form, and then first part here given what? 2x plus 1 power 3. Then we know that a plus b whole cube is equals to a square, a cube 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, and in place of a here 2x, and in place of b here what? 1. Here a is equals to 2x and b is equals to 1. Therefore 2x plus 1 power 3 is equals to 2x power 3 2x whole square into 1 plus 3, and 2x into 1 square plus 1 power 3. After this is the 8x cube plus 2 2 ja 4 and 4 3 ja 12x square plus 3 2 ja 6x plus 1. This is the answer. Question 2a minus 3b power 3. In similar way, we know that a minus b whole cube, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Then write down here what? 2a minus 3b power 3 is equals to 2a power 3 minus 3 2a square into 3b plus 3 2a into 3b square minus 3b power 3. Then finally we get here 8a cube minus 2 2 ja 4 3 ja 12 and 12 3 ja 36 a square b plus here 3 3 ja 9 and 9 2 ja 18 18 3 ja 54 ab square minus 27 b power 3. This is the answer. This question 3 by 2x plus 1 power 3. Then again here a plus b whole cube. Then this can be written as 3 by 2x power 3 plus 3 times, in place of a square, in place of b1 plus 3 times 3 by 2x into 1 square plus 1 cube. Now we will get here 3 3 ja 9 3 ja 27 divided by 8x cube plus 3 3 ja 9 3 ja 27 divided by 4x square and plus 3 3 ja 9 by 2x and plus 1. This is the answer of this question. Fourth part of this question, x minus 2y 3y whole power 3. Then here we will use the a minus b whole cube. Then we get this is equals to x cube minus 3a square, that means x square and b plus 3a b square, that means 2 by 3 by power 2 and minus 2 by 3 by power 3. Then this is equals to the x cube minus here 3 and 3 cancelled. Then we get here 2x square y, and here because here square, that means 1 3 1 3 cancel, but we will get the 4 by 3 xy square and minus 8 divided by 27 y cube. Question number 7. Evaluate the following using suitable identity. Then first part is what? 99 power 3. Then this can be written as 100 minus 1 power 3. Then here applying the formula, what? A minus B whole cube. Then we will write here 100 power 3 minus 3 A square B plus 3 A B square minus B cube. Then we will get here minus here what? 3 and 4 times 0 plus 300 minus 1, and when we will subtract this from this, then we will get here 4 times 0 and then 10 minus 3, that means 7, and here 9. After this here 299, then finally 992 and 079 970 299. This is your answer. Now the second part is 102 power 3. Then this can be written as 100 plus 2 whole power 3. That means here 100 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 A square B plus 3 A B square plus B cube. Now this can be written as plus 3 and here 4 times 0, 3 2 ja 6, here 6, right, plus 2 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12, then 1200 plus 8, and finally when we will add all of this, then we will get the 8 0 2 1 6 0 1. This is your final answer. Last part of question number 7. 998 power 3. Then this can be written as 1000 minus 2 power 3. After this can be written as power 3 minus 3 times 1 and this whole square, because 3A square B, and plus 3A B square minus B cube, then here 2 cube. After this can be written as 1 and here 90 3 6 8 1 9 3 3 and 9. Now 3 2 ja 6 and here 6 times 0 6 plus 2 2 ja 4 3 ja 12, then here 12,000 and minus 8. After this we will get here, when we will subtract 8 from this, this from this, then we will get 994 and 6 zeros, and when we will subtract 8 from this, then we will get 11992, and then finally we will get 9940 11992. This is your final answer.